So one of my favourite companies to buy from is Tonic, and each month I buy the Tonic craft kit. It makes me part of their Tonic club. I get 10% off everything I buy from the Tonic website. So for this month, it is, I believe, a birthday gift card holder. So with the Tonic craft kit, you get a little welcome note with some inspiration and everything you get in it. And I normally follow some of these. And then what I'm going to do with these is not just do birthday ones and celebration. I'm going to cut out some Diwali, Hanukkah, Eid, Christmas, Easter papers and decorate it at the front to turn it into our religious occasions. So with the box you also get a little bag of Nouveau things. I love Nouveau. I never really sort of did messy crafting before I went into this. Bought these craft boxes because it's just never something I've really done before, but it's really made me push myself out of the comfort zone. So we have got Blue Blitz shimmer powder, which is really nice. That would be really nice for Hanukkah and Diwali, especially Diwali and Holly. We've got a tape runner. I haven't used this brand of tape runner, so I'm looking forward to try that. I use the Hunky Dory tape runners, which I love because they're refillable. I used to use the Crafter's Companion one, but the quality of them went really downhill, so I don't buy them anymore. So it is, oh, it's a little diddy one, which would be great for when I package up orders. I use a little bit of tape to stick the tissue paper down. So the diddy one, really good. And then, let's get my big Tim Holtz scissors. I have the Nouveau Crystal Drops. Oh, Crystal Glaze. I like these. I used to have the Tim Holtz one. And then I use the Spectrum Noir ones. And I think I've got one of these and I've used before, but it's really good. I love those. So that's ready. And then I have got a Nouveau Crystal Drop, which I love. These I use as little embellishments on my cards because gemstones sometimes, like if I make cards in advance, they kind of fall off, or these stay on. They're really good, and you can get more colour options. You can mix your colours as well. Love those. So that's a little Nouveau bag. You also get a little craft wallet every, I think, 3 boxes. You get one of these to keep the storage in, which is great because I'm really messy. And then you get the dies and the stamps, and you get an embossing folder for this one. Oh, and you always get instructions if it's a 3D product, which I need. One thing about these boxes that have been really good for me is getting me to make more 3D construction, rather than just using my Cricut and my Hunky Dory products. I love the fact that it's kind of pushed me to make something else. So looking forward to doing that. Oh, a stamp cleaning cloth. I've actually got one of these and I've mislaid it in my messy craft room. So I'm looking forward to actually having another one. And then my favourite is the papers. I love the papers. I love paper. I love paper. I love paper. I've always loved stationery. So we've got a lovely Craft Perfect orange, yellow. I love Craft Perfect. Can I tell you what? Craft Perfect is really good for your Cricut machine. If you've got a Cricut or a Scan and Cut, I really love. It cuts beautifully. I used, there's 2 bits of paper I use. I use Tonic Craft Perfect. I use Florence cardstock, which is by the Vase and Creative, and American Craft Stock. But I really love Tonic. You've got a black one, a beautiful red. I think this would be really lovely for Diwali and Christmas. A green satin cardboard. I'm really starting to use these because I love Hunky Dory Mirror Card. I use the Hunky Dory Mirror Card for everything. I run out, but Tonic one, so good. Glitter cardstock. This is really, oh, this feels really nice. It's soft glitter. I don't know if this will be really good for Diwali. And you get a mirror card version of that. I'm going to use these for my Diwali ones. I'm going to have to buy the packs of these for Diwali. A lovely pink and a blue one as well. So that's everything you get in the craft box, and I'll show you what I make later.